So this is how the package came. It came while it was in this black paper, this black bag, and I'm here. I can't even believe that I'm opening it, or I'm taking the package out of the bag. So here is the logo black. How I love it. I like it. This is the whole package, and let's open now. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, King K. So today, I'm so happy to be presenting to you, or to be showing you what YouTube sent me just the other day. And just a little bit story for unbox with you. It feels so good, and I feel so happy to have reached this point, this moment, this 2021 November, because I've had a very tough time on YouTube. At some point, I didn't know what to post. At some point, I wanted to give up on YouTube. And I want to give a very big thank you to Marcus, because I shared with him my plans, and he asked me one question. He asked me, why did you create your YouTube channel? Then that question, I really didn't have the right answer, or the answer to give him. So I took it that as a positive, and since then I've never stopped posting or making videos on YouTube. And because of that, I am here today. First, God has always been with me. God has always directed me. God is the reason I have this channel now. And second, I want to appreciate and give thank you to all the people that have been supporting me, the people that have been watching my contents, every video, silly videos, good videos, anything that I've been posting on my channel. Big up, I salute all of you. So in today's video, I want to share with you the gift that I was sent by YouTube on Friday afternoon. And I'm super excited. I'm very hyped up, because I'm going to share one platform with the biggest of the biggest, or the best of the best YouTubers or content creators in Africa, is something very unimaginable. Because when I was starting this channel, I never saw myself sharing one platform, or having dinner with Mike Angel, Wabosha, Joanna Kinuthia, Alex Madenge, and so forth and so forth. This list is very big. We are over 100 content creators that will be having the dinner. So just to share with you the gift that I was sent by YouTube, here's the box, very well sealed. Don't mind here, don't mind, but it is very well sealed. The box is very hard. You can see it black in color. So the thing is this. This is the gift that I was sent. Oh, okay. This is just the lid, and we will be unboxing with you right at this moment. So stay back, relax, and let's see what I was sent, because I've been posting shorts. People have been asking me, why are you leaving us this honey? So this is the first thing you see, or you meet with when you open this box. So it's a booklet. I think I had given you some clue of, if you were really keen with the shorts that I was posting, you could see the description, and probably you read, and you at this moment you know of what I was sent. So the books are here. It says, "Hey there, we are super excited to see you soon and hope you are too. Ahead of the evening, we wanted to give you a care of package for you to enjoy during wellness evening. This is the dinner that is happening today." today. So this video is being posted before the dinner starts. I wanted to give you this equipment so that you can unwind while tapping into your creative skills. What are we going to be making? All will be revealed soon. So whatever we'll be making, but we will be using these gifts for, it will be revealed on at the dinner time. So I'll make sure I make that video for you. Wow, this is, thank you God, this is amazing. So let's unbox this. So this is how the package came. It came while it was in this black paper, this black bag, and I'm here. I can't even believe that I'm opening it, or I'm taking the package out of the bag. So here is the logo, black. Very good. Since black is my color, and it came exactly how I love it. I like it. This is the whole package, and let's open now. When you open it, this booklet is the first thing you come in contact with. It has some instruction and some writings, Team YouTube Black. So these are the items. This is the pliers that we will be using. This is the second one. I think they have different roles or different works. Just like that. Take a look at everything. There's some wire, the beads different in color. I believe through the instructions we will be making some things or something. Yeah. Now let's return everything. Any part. I want to urge and encourage everyone out there, whoever or whatever you want to be creating, either it's your talent, you have to create content on YouTube or content anywhere. Never quit, never stop. However hard it may be, don't stop. Keep on pushing, keep on doing whatever you're doing. Because I'm a living testimony on this YouTube thing, because I started YouTube as my posting platform, where I post videos, and anytime I would want them, I will just download them. It was like my archive thing. It is still my archive thing, but back then I had a very different agenda. But now people somewhere noticing that King K can do something. King K is doing this. King K, my work is being noticed. It is something that I even lack words to explain or to express myself. So anybody that feels that their work is not paying off, keep doing it. It is not, I wasn't sent money, but because of my hard work, because of whatever I've been doing, being sent something, not not necessarily money or just a present, because this is a present. That means my work has been recognized somewhere by people. So anyone that is doing whatever you're doing, keep on doing your best, keep on going out of your way and do what you love. So as I wind up, make sure to stay tuned for the next video, because I have one more gift to be sent to, and I want to be making sure that I'm going to share with you, because you are my people. You are the people that enabled me to get to where I am today. I have over 2,000 subscribers. And because it's of your time, because you love of what you like what I've been doing, that's why I'm here. And that's why I take this opportunity to thank you. I take this opportunity to say thank you, thank you, thank you once again. Continue supporting and continue believing in my work. So until next time, salute. I salute you. I salute you. I salute you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me leave you this.